We will be replacing the stock halogen fog lights in this 2018 Buick Regal with all new bulbs from Ala Lighting. The tools you'll need for this are a flathead and Phillips screwdriver and a T15 Tourx screwdriver. You can access the fog lights in two spots, so we'll show you both ways you can swap out the bulbs. But first, here are the stock halogen bulbs still installed in the fog lights. You can access the fog light bulbs here by taking out the housing. You'll need to use something flat like a screwdriver to peel off the plastic molding. There are a series of clips along the top and side you'll need to pop free. To access the one screw holding it in, you'll need to remove the one extra piece of molding. Remove the Phillips screw. And you'll be able to remove the plastic piece by pulling towards the front of the car. Now using the T15 Tourx driver, you can remove the 3 screws holding in the housing. Pull the housing out where you can now access the bulb. Unplug the wire connector by pushing the locking tab and pulling it apart. And remove the old bulb by turning counterclockwise. Now you can install your new LED bulb. Be sure to line up the locking tabs. And turn clockwise to lock it in. Proper installation of the bulb is very important. For the best results, you must install the bulb with the LED chips on the left and right. The next step is to plug in the wire connector. Technician's tip: before finishing the install, be sure to test the bulb. The plug may need to be flipped if it doesn't light. You can now replace the housing back into the car. Tighten the 3 Tourx screws. Another technician tip: this fog light housing can be adjusted to point higher or lower by turning this Allen screw. Replace the plastic molding. Start by sliding the side tabs into place and make sure each tab is secured. Lastly, replace the one Phillips screw and the last small piece of molding. Now the other side. The other way to access the fog light bulb is in the wheel well. You'll need to remove the 3 Phillips screws holding in the liner. You can peel it back to expose the fog light bulb. First, remove the old bulb from the housing by turning it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Release the wire connector by pushing on the locking tab and pull it apart. Replace with your new LED bulb. First, plug in the wire connector. Insert the bulb back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in. If you cannot see the bulb to confirm the left and right orientation of the LED chips, you can use the pigtail wire hanging off the back. Just be sure the wire is hanging directly down after you've locked it in. Finish by replacing the liner and tighten the 3 screws you had removed. Now we can see the fog lights with all new super bright LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.
Thanks for watching.